It's 8:35 on December 19, Tuesday. We've just come down to get the boat ready and they've already lifted her. Let's go see where she is. There we are, going down the road. Missed by about 5 minutes, I'd say. Welcome to Much Calmer Cruising. Time is 11:30, date is the 19th of December, and today is the day we haul back in. It's been just under 3 months since we hauled out to do the fuel tanks and the anti-foul and all the other 450 million things that we found needed to be repaired on Much Calmer, but today is the day we'll put it back in the water. So we're currently still in the sling in the holding pen. We're lowered down, but we have to wait for the tide to come in around 2 o'clock. So we're just going to hang here for a little while and check all the systems over and over again and make sure that we've done everything that we can do. And here's fingers crossed that the rest of the afternoon goes well. Talk soon. go. Tony's just going to do some checks down in the engine bay. I will steer us out through the leads. We'll get out a little bit, stop, put fenders down, get the ropes ready for the Marina, and then head on in. Okay, so post-mortem of our trip around to the Marina. 3 leaks. This one will be fuel leak. So yesterday we had a fuel leak from the generator. The fuel in line had corroded, and today the fuel out line had let go. So first repair for today, fuel line for the generator. Okay, so post-mortem part 2, water leak. So this was our brand new sea strainer. We were a little skeptical about being plastic, but assured that it would move 300 litres a minute. What they didn't tell us was 150 litres would come pissing out the top of the lid. So we are going to pull that out. I'm going to return it and tell them it's rubbish. And we are going to put this little beauty in. Yes. So that will be leak number 2, fixed. And this was leak 3. This was an oil leak out of the gearbox.
Oil cooler.
Oh, there we go. Oil cooler, what would I know?
Gearbox oil cooler.
So, hopefully, once I put it back on, that will be leak 3 fixed. Hello. Just come inside, it's a bit noisy. So date today is the 29th of December. We've had the boat in the Marina since the 19th of December. Fixed up a few little minor issues that I'd mentioned earlier, and just been busy with Christmas and getting house things sorted and yard things sorted, and finding a new home for much calmer, because as I've mentioned, we have to get out of the Marina here no later than the 24th of January. So we're headed to Mackay. We found a berth there considerably cheaper than here, so we'll move her to Mackay as soon as we get a nice weather window. We're thinking about leaving, I don't know, maybe the 1st, 2nd, 3rd of January. Island hop our way down. That will be new for us, so anxiety levels are already a little high, but an adventure still. So yeah, today everything seems to be going nice. I'll just pan you around, show you what sort of day we're having. So the boat's, doing all the things that a boat should do. No dramas at all in the engine bay. Pretty happy with this. Our first little maiden voyage since we've had her all fixed. So fingers crossed it stays like this. Talk soon. Date is 31st of December, so Happy New Year everybody, and I hope 2024 is fabulous for you all. Today we drove 2 cars to Mackay so that we could leave one in the car park there. For when we arrive in Mackay, we will have a car to drive home. Good planning. Very happy to see that the car park there is locked, and we were able to snavel a little undercover, the last undercover car park that was there, so very happy about that. And while we were here, we popped down and had another quick look at where Much Calmer will live in the near future. So I guess that's it for us for 2023. Our next video will be our voyage to Mackay. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. Happy New Year everybody, and we'll talk soon. Bye.
Taking on a journey, I got places to go. Wanna chase a miracle, it's possible. You just gotta open the door. Darling, it's cold out there. Don't fear the road, just come along with me. You're not alone out there. Let's write a song.